Hello, it's Kieran Foley and Dimitri Tsafatsis again. It's the 30th of December, and while people are having a bit of a break, which is well due, we've got about 50 colleagues building on site as we speak. So we'll give you a quick update as to where we're at today. As we talk, we'll just pan around a little bit to see where things are at. That's the building behind us, which is Building B. And we're actually on the rooftop of the actual clubhouse. So I'm going to pass over to Dimitri right now and say, Dimitri, well, Merry Christmas and looking forward to a great 2025. So in terms of where we're at today and what's planned for the next few weeks, give us an update.
Yeah, so we've made a lot of progress, which is good. So we're fully framed throughout all the residential buildings at the moment, which is a great milestone for the job. Our last concrete pour we finished just before the traditional Christmas breakup. So we got that done. Community centre's heading and tracking very well. We're actually on the community centre roof now. Underneath us, the guys are framing the internals, and internals of the rest of the residential buildings are now receiving their first coats of paint through some of the areas. The brickwork's happening across the job. Windows are in for all of Building B. Moving on to Building A in the new year, so that will keep happening. Tiling's happening. Yeah, so a lot of good progress, a lot of good things happening, and yeah, it's good that we've got this amount of guys over the break just to keep the momentum and heading into a new year.
Well, I can see the elves and Santa Claus have continued to work and will continue to work. We hope that's a good update for everyone listening to us. Wish you all a great new year. We're entering 2025 with a lot of pace to this building, and we're looking forward to seeing you all and to our newest depositors come on board, and we'll see you soon as well. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from